This is a platform that we have created as BrighterMonday Uganda in partnership with the Mastercard Foundation to ensure that we bring together students, young people, job seekers, employers from different sectors.
We have seen a lot of youth participation. We have seen good energy. We have seen career pitches. We have seen youth sharing ideas of what they want to change. We have seen youth creating CVs, uploading their CVs and actually applying for jobs in real time in these 2 days. We have seen energy that is transformative.
Being part of the career fair in the Eastern region, which was hosted at IUIU in Mbale, has been a great opportunity for me. Such a timely moment that I'm able to build my career, to also understand the dynamics of the working environment in Uganda.
For sure, our abilities have been ignited and unlocked, and even the youths in Eastern region in general. We've learned how to create CVs, using the AI experience and many other stuffs.
With the era of AI, how can I best use AI? How can I best use Internet of Things for agriculture? Those are innovations that we need to think of.
I'm also happy that this project or this program has not excluded disabled students. Me particularly, I'm a disabled person. I really thank them, and I have really got a new image, and I've learned new innovations in these 2 days.
We encourage you that when you get all these skills, please let's ensure that we have the rightful manners. Without manners, you are headed for nowhere.
I think that this is going to be able to help me to build myself and also to encourage me to understand what kind of initiatives or fields that I want to make my investments in, most especially to improve my career and also to see that tomorrow I am getting where I want to be able to impact the lives of other young people.
When you excel, when you go beyond the normal call of duty, when others are just putting in the normal, and for you go the extra shift, someone is going to take note.
The employers are out there looking for someone who can deliver information. The employers are out there looking for people who can interpret. The employers are not looking for a degree in education or a degree in communication. But we want to know how able can you convince? Because communication goes beyond just relaying information. Are you able to negotiate?
I would like to say a very big thank you to Mastercard Foundation and BrighterMonday Uganda for this privilege to take part of this youth initiative.
We thank IUIU for the hospitality, and we hope that the partnership can continue.
We want to thank you, we want to appreciate you, and we want to say that we want to keep with you and keep growing with you.
Islamic University oye, Mastercard Foundation oye, BrighterMonday oye, Bamasaba oye, Umukuka oye, Manyaranad.